Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, we're going to look at how you can add a Microsoft form to your PowerPoint presentation. This is useful if you need to get feedback from the viewer of your slides. So for example, you could add a quiz to test whether they've understood what you presented, or you want to get their feedback on whether the content was any good. I'll show you how to add an existing form or quiz, and if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to make a nice feedback form for your training content. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon because we're posting every week and we don't want you to miss anything. You can add your form from PowerPoint by choosing the Insert ribbon, creating a new slide, and then choose Form. The Forms window will appear on the right hand side and you can choose from a list of available forms. If you select one, you have the option to insert it or edit it. This list is pulled from Microsoft Forms, so it could be empty if you've never used Forms before. If you've prepared a form beforehand, you can select it from the list and choose Insert, and it will drop that form into the slide. When you go to the slideshow view, you'll see that the form is presented and can be completed and submitted by the viewer. You can also edit an existing form by going to PowerPoint and choosing Edit. This will open up Microsoft Forms in the browser and take you to the form in edit mode, so you can make any changes you need. You can also add new forms and quizzes to PowerPoint, and in this demo, I'm going to create a quick feedback form for some training material. First, I choose the New Form button. That opens up forms in the browser. I'm going to call my form Training Feedback. Then I can add my questions. And I'm going to make these both ratings questions. So first of all, how would you rate this training material? And then how would you rate the instructor? I can add a sweet background to make it look really cool. I just press on the theme button up here and then choose one that looks nice. Then I jump back to my deck and we're done. Now when I watch the slideshow, I have my feedback form in my slide deck. Every time the form is completed, I will see the responses in forms so I can track how the questions were answered and how well my training was received. So that's how you add a form to your PowerPoint slides. Thanks for watching.